First, you need to select the board for which you'll configure the SLA. Next, hover over the plus icon, go to Apps, and click on Time in Status. A board will open, and on the right side of the screen, you'll see the Set SLA button. Click on it. After that, a window with 4 fields will appear. In the first field, you can choose a color. In the second field, you can enter a name for the SLA. In the third field, you can select the status to which the SLA will apply. In the fourth field, you can set the time after which the SLA will be triggered. To add another SLA, click the Add SLA button. To delete an SLA, click the trash icon on the right side. In the time column, you can set the SLA duration in days, hours, or minutes. After filling in all the fields, click Apply. All the columns that meet the SLA criteria are now highlighted in the colors you selected. Thank you for watching.